A beeping TV that won't turn on is often a sign of a problem with the remote batteries, control, interference, or the TV system itself. To address this issue, several solutions can be attempted. A hard reset can be performed by disconnecting the TV from its power supply, pressing and holding the power button on the TV for about 10 seconds, letting it rest for around 3 minutes, and then plugging it back in and turning it on. Alternatively, the remote control frequency can be changed by identifying the remote model from the TV user manual, accessing the TV settings, and adjusting the frequency or pairing option according to the on-screen prompts. It's also worth checking if the beeping noise persists after this adjustment. If the issue is related to the remote batteries, replacing them with new, high-quality batteries that are compatible with the remote may resolve the problem. Additionally, identifying and removing any potential sources of interference, such as microwaves or other devices near the TV, can also help to resolve the issue. By trying these solutions, the beeping noise and failure to turn on can often be fixed, restoring the TV to normal functioning.